Hey, it's me, Flying V Project Part 4. We're still moving, it's just going a little bit slow because now I'm doing things like sanding, which I'm not going to show you because that's boring. But anyway, I'm still sanding this thing down. It's a lot better. It goes slow. I'm doing most of it by hand because I don't want to take too much material off anywhere and screw up edges and that sort of thing. So I'm doing it careful and slow, so taking some time. I'm still wrapping up my RF shielding. I'm too lazy to rip out all the electronics, and if you look close, there's an extra capacitor in there. I don't know exactly what it's doing. I don't know enough about the electronics of this. I think it's some kind of little boost. I don't want to screw with it. It's okay. I don't know. So anyway, I'm working around what's in there, which just means it's tedious and it takes time. But I'm doing it, so just about done with that. That's it. I'm still working. Just wanted to give you a little update. So, oh look, I did screw the claw in there, and I got the wire, pulled out the grounding wire. I'll shield in there and close this off. I haven't quite decided if I'm going to go through shielding all this stuff, even though, yeah, I've already shielded the, back plate and the control cavity one too. So I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned. We're whatever episode this is, Flying V Project. I've started on the Sperzels, and let me show you what's happening. Remember a couple episodes ago I was saying how I couldn't remember if Sperzels took one screw or two, if they're parallel. Yeah, none of the above. It has one little post that it holds in there, and then this collar is all threaded. So anyway, point is I was totally wrong, but coming out okay. I maybe still need to lacquer, maybe hit these with stain again, whatever. I'm cleaning this up as I'm putting the Sperzels in, but the first one in, and it looks awesome. So so happy. And right there you can see Sperzel USA. Buy American, kids. It's more expensive, but it's better. Best tuners you can get right there. Sperzel, made here in America. So anyway, I'm going to finish up the Sperzels, and remember I was mentioned there was a little dent. It's here. So there's a trick where you can kind of stain it out, and I'll go back and re-lacquer it. So I'll try that, and then same thing here. Just hit it with a bit of lacquer, and I'll be fine. And set the shim, which I got over here somewhere. I don't know. Here, check it out. This is going to be my shim. There's a couple different things that people commonly use as shims. I was looking at metal screen material. Well, actually, I don't have metal screen. I have like a cloth mesh. Not quite the same, and the thickness wasn't right for this. So anyway, what is the right thickness? Matchbook cover. The other thing people often use are playing cards. I'd use the Ace of Spades myself, but anyway. This is from Jack London's bar, Carmel by the Sea. It's out towards San Francisco. This is the town that Clint Eastwood used to be the mayor or whatever. But great little bar, hole in the wall. I don't even remember what I ate. I had a sandwich or something there. It was good. The beer was excellent. So there's the phone number. Yeah, go to Jack London's bar if you're ever in San Francisco area. Carmel by the Sea. Do it. It's good. Anyway, Sperzels. It's looking good. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. The Sperzels are in there, man, and they look good. They don't all completely line up, but I used the original holes, so I was kind of stuck, and you saw how horrific the drilling was on this. So anyway, it's there. Like I said, I gotta maybe do something with that dent, and I'll just hit, these little old screw holes are barely still visible. There's a super glue trick that'll match the lacquer pretty well, and that's it. Sperzels are in, and they look beautiful if you ask me. Remember when I told you I was going to do the hardware in flat black. That's not what's happening. It's all silver. I couldn't find the bridge was the piece that kind of dictated that it only comes in brass or the nickel. So anyway, have I shown you the bridge yet? There's the whammy bar, chrome. There's actually the whammy bar they want to send me is on back order with a little plastic tip, so I'll have an extra whammy bar. I actually prefer this one. So, but there's the bridge. So it's everything's all nickel. So whatever, it's fine. It's silver. It'll be good. At least it'll all match. And the old jack plate was chrome silver, and the new back plate on the neck. Thanks Fender. The Fender one is what fits. You know, as far as the way the neck's connected, this guitar is more like a Fender than anything else. But anyway, so yeah, just all chrome parts, and it's coming together. That's it. Sperzels are in. Yes.